Assalamualaikum guys, this is your host Wajiha Naeem and welcome to my channel in Crowd Buzz. To create reflection effect like this, so you are in the right place. Do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the latest videos. So let's get started. First we will go to the Canva. We will select this option. Now we will select the mobile video. We will type here flowing water. Now there are some options. We will select them. There are some options of flowing water. I will select this one. I will drag this photo and adjust to my screen like this. Now I will type here sky with grass. Now I will adjust this also. Now I will go to the apps and type here Jiffy. There are options you can select from here. Here is the option Jiffy. I will search here happy dance sticker. Now I will choose one of them. I will select this. I will select one and adjust it and duplicate it. Now I will flip vertical and make it equal like this, and I will go to the transparency and will select the transparency. It's look like a reflection effect. So now you can check and play this. It's looking very nice. This is how you can create a reflection effect. We will go to the share button and click on the download. I hope you like my video. Hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.